Hello and welcome to the final day of the second test of the Bank Alfala presents Blue World City Test Series. Pakistan versus Bangladesh. All the live action of this intriguing final day from the Rawalpindi Cricket Stadium by and large throughout this series.
It's not a particularly large target. This will be an important talk from Shan Masood. Special bit of bowling from those two.
The game, it's a funny game. Fresh day, it's a fresh start. They can put the 42 runs behind them of play. They were bowling fuller. That's a good start. Just a hint of shape. The around the wicket angle from the right-handed seam. That is a crack of the back foot, and for 4. And that happens when luck isn't on your side. Brilliant delivery, squares.
It's about that. Oh, it's well bowled. So much better from the Pakistan quicks. You felt something was coming. The pressure was building.
What a ripper. Just holds the angle, just holds the line. And undoes Zakir Hasan. Hit top of off? Yes, sir. He'll take that. Pakistan will believe. 58 for 1. Zakir walks back for a very well-made 40. Hassan Shanto. An important position of 3. He hasn't really...
In the air, oh, just clipped over the top. That's a good shot. He's just made sure that he's gone over. Things will get easier. Oh, that is a great attempt. The outside edge found
and nearly takes a really good catch. Have a look at this. Look, if there was a third slip in, straight in. Very lucky. He was fishing, he was never in control. Poor shot, and he survives.
Length. Short wide, has a go at it and hits it really well. Very good from Shadman, the opportunity, and he pounces on it.
5.
In the air and gone. Exactly that. He was working on making Shadman drive, and the drive.
That's a soft dismissal. It's a nothing shot. A straightforward hit to mid-off. And Shan Masood does the rest. Look at him go. He knows how important it is. Now they've opened up both ends. So both the openers now gone. And it is that man once again, Khurram Shahzad, who picks up another wicket. Shadman goes for 24. Bangladesh 70 for 2.
Mominul Haq walks in. This is the occasion that you want to be there till the end, right? Edge, oh, goes through the gap, goes to the fence.
Very thin margins there. You try to bowl full, angle it into the stumps, and minute you go middle leg, this is what happens. Yeah, that's hit hard. Driven straight, 2 full on that occasion. Khurram Shahzad.
Again short and pumped away.
Just stayed slightly low, but once again the line down the leg side. They run through for 2. And the overthrow will get them 3. This needs to stop. Somebody get a hold of the ball as well between Shanto and Mominul. Bangladesh 122 for 2. Pakistan did pick up a couple of wickets.
Skipper will be feeling very pleased with what has happened. Especially
on the way to Amir Bhai, an impressive partnership, and this has been Bangladesh throughout.
He doesn't like Salman bowling there. That's why he's been attempting this stroke. And this time around, it was
gone. It's straight off the bat and picked up by Abdullah Shafiq. The umpires will have a word, but it seems as if it's...
Do you have anything else to show from front on, please? Yeah, roll it back one more time, please. Roll it, just to complete the catch. Yes, satisfied. I'm ready.
Just waiting for OUT. Disappointed, batted well for his 38. Bangladesh lose their third, 127 for 3. Bangladesh need another 58. Most experienced first test match got 191. And he goes short and is punished. That's an excellent back cut which races away to the fence. So the right-handers. Edge, oh, it again finds that gap. That gap between. Oh, that looks close, very, very close. Yeah, just a little inside edge.
Ball is close to the bat. Need to confirm through ultra edge, please. Okay. Yes, keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling. Yeah, roll it back one more time, please. You're on screen. Please signal.
Good decision from.
It's high in the air. There's a chance for mid-off. That will be a soft dismissal. You might call it unnecessary, but it has given the desired result to Abrar.
Close enough. He thought he was in business to hit it over the top of the infield. Not the right choice. And also the last ball of this over. Just wanted to pick up a boundary. Not the case. He lobs it straight into the hands of Saim Ayub. So Abrar finally picks up his first wicket. Mominal goes for 34. Bangladesh 153 for 4.
A lot of batting available. As Shakib Al Hasan. It's high in the air, but it will be safe. It's just over. Saud Shakil is running backwards. That's almost like a release shot. Took that chance, knowing that the fielders are in, putting pressure on him.
We'll see how that one plays out. This one is playing out all in Bangladesh's hands at the moment. A big.
This one is it's top edged. It might just land safe, and it does. It all going the way of Bangladesh right now. From the pull, he's got a top edge, and this will land safe and go for 4.
Calamity recently. That's slashed away. That's gone to the boundary. It's over. Bangladesh have gone on to win their first ever series. 2-0. Bangladesh have done the Bangla wash. Yes, incredible scenes here. Very good indeed for a very, very long time. Nice to see two senior campaigner. Really nice to see the experienced campaigner to be there till the very end of the series. But with losing that first day without a ball being bowled, who would have
Mightily proud and happy with their performance in the history of Bangladesh cricket.
Yeah, what about Nazmuddin Shanto? He took over recently. Well done. Yep. You know, they'll be concerned about the batting against Pakistan. It's a clean sweep. This is the Bangladesh one, and they chase Zakir team home with an exciting win by 6 wickets.
Yeah, not much to right. Abrar Ahmed, he toiled away too, but just couldn't make that breakthrough. And there we go, Bangladesh win by 6 wickets.
A 2-0 series win, a clean sweep against Bangladesh. Their third test series victory away from home. Pictures that have been etched in record books. At Najmal Hasan Shanto, the proud captain of Bangladesh, and the group can be very, very proud of what they've achieved. Test series 2-0.
David Hemp, Andre Adams,